Marquetta Smith, Executive Director of Safe Harbor International Ministries. We have a training institution within Safe Harbor that offers many trainings and workshops to help organizations reach their goals and succeed. Today, I would like to welcome you to the overview of Safe Harbor Training Institution. The mission of the Training Center is to help new, beginning, redeveloping organizations develop strong, sustainable programs that will provide lasting, positive results for the communities in which they serve. Safe Harbor Training Center offers a variety of workshops and trainings that will develop, equip, train, educate, bring awareness to communities, and restore families. Our training courses equips your counselors, caseworkers, social workers, intervention specialists, family advocates, and yes, church leaders to effectively implement intervention strategies to facilitate family healing and community restoration. Topics include understanding domestic violence and how to identify signs of domestic violence. We also offer domestic violence assessment training for providers. This is very key. Providers must receive training on an ongoing basis. We have other workshops such as parenting workshops, how to talk to your teens about teen dating and teen violence, and how to understand some of the indicators of violence within teen dating. We have other topics like understanding and recognizing signs of abuse and how to report child abuse and neglect. We have corporate topics, and they include trainings such as 4 personality types that all leaders and co-workers should understand and recognize, conflict resolution training, team building training, how to build a volunteer program, how to recruit and keep volunteers within your organization. This is very key. You have to train volunteers in order to keep volunteers. We also teach individuals how to build their own nonprofit organization within their own community and how to write programs for their organization. We also offer customized trainings for organizations. If there is a topic not covered under our list of trainings, we can also tailor a training fit that will fit your organization and your organizational needs. Many of our trainings and workshops are offered in the comfort of your organization. And yes, we do travel. We also offer many classes online as well. To download a detailed list of all of our trainings and objectives of each training, please visit our website at safeharborim.com and go to the training tab of our website. Keep in mind that some of our trainings we provide is free or it may be discounted to some organizations. To find out if your organization qualifies, please visit our website at safeharborim.com and go to the drop-down tab called Training. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope to see you at our workshop.